This is Roxy Cinema, where there's a lift to be filmed. And now, because it's a posh cinema, you'd expect it to be a really nice and really posh, awesome lift. But no, it's a horrible, cheap DMG lift. Why would they put this piece of, I don't know, even inside of here? It even has DMG buttons. Oh dear. Oh well, at least the lift is MRL. It even goes to 2-star only for levels 2 and 4. Let's take a look at it. Okay, this is the lift at Roxy Cinema. Hope it's good. And I come all the way for this piece of crap. It's a generic. Why would they put a generic here? Oh, and there's other things. There's 3 floors. Wow. And here is the lift. Let's go down to 1. Lightning tiling. Cap. This lift is cheap. I mean, why would they install such a lift there?